Hello guys, and welcome back to yet another edition of Monday Special. With you is Oluwakorewa. In case it's the first time you're coming across this channel, welcome to Alien Ghana Lotto School, your surest plug when it comes to online Ghana prediction. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, my advice for you right now, consider to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell and click on the subscribe button. But if you want me to post another video tomorrow, like I used to say, you like this video for me, share it, and most importantly, I want to hear your own opinion in the comment section. Without further ado guys, let's dive straight into a second time working plan on Monday Special board for Monday Special with a confirmation of it elsewhere. Let's dive straight into this plan. For the first time it's playing here on Monday Special, let's take this as a working plan. And you know what the culture of the channel has always been, I would always go extra mile to make sure I see it the second time. Now, first time setting on Monday Specials board at event 4. Single to play in winning. That is second ball winning. Single to playing in second ball winning. The following week expect 67 in center ball machine. That is and the second time working on Monday Special board, Monday Special for Monday Special, is at event 1021, where single two played in fourth ball winning, and the following week expect 67 to play center ball machine. Second time playing own board. Now after 67 has maintained position, single two in position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks down. 36 will play first ball machine. Confirmation on the currents from 67, 8 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks down. 36 should maintain first ball machine. Now, after 36 maintain first ball machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks down. 27 will play first ball machine, play with 62 in second ball machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks down. Now on the current from 36 playing in position as well, 10 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks down. Expect 27 to play first ball machine and 62. They should both close to maintain this position. Now after both of this game maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4 last week, expect 20 in winning, and on board from these two in position 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down last week, expect 20 to play in winning. Now after 20 had played in winning, what is it telling us on this place? A classification chart game for the YouTube. 36 in position. After 20 plays, 36 in position. It should counter down to last ball winning. 36 in position again should supply us with 63. The same number supplying 2 games. Remember it played single 2 here. It said single 2 would turn last week. Now this week is telling us single 2 should key, play us 65. If single 2 key, it will play us 65. But I like 63 more. Why? 36 supplied 63. Even 67 in position. 67 in position would supply us 63. Two numbers are supplying 63, both 36 and 67. So it's supplying us these three numbers today. But the free banker there is 81. And you know the culture of this channel. I'll make sure I go extra mile. I mean go extra way to make sure I prove my games. But the authentic 3DIRECT on this event, my own take, the one line 3DIRECT on this event is 42 and 81. Nothing supplied 42. Yes, something supplied us with 81. This is our event to watch out for. But the live 3DIRECT there is 42 and 81. You know, I'll go extra mile to make sure I prove this. Now, I have it on the second place. It's on this chart. But you know what you're going to do for me now? If you really love my way of forecast, I want you to give me a thumbs up for this video so that I can be able to post. I have very interesting games this week. And all I need from you right now is to like this video for me and comment. Let me know your take. Subscribe. This is going to pay us today. Let's go. Now, we have it here. Now, let's take it this way. 2762 in position. Watch the trick. This said 1, 2, 3. Expect 20 to second ball winning. 2762 in position. 1, 2, 3. It said 3 weeks. 20 to play to second ball winning. On this one, 2762 in position again. 1, 2, 3, 4. The one we are following on board. It said it's going to be 4 weeks before he played 20. This is exposure. I just pray YouTube don't take this video down as they used to take it down as usual. So if you find this content, help other people to find it too. If you don't like and comment, I'm sure YouTube is going to take this video down. Now, after 20 here, check the banker 81 playing in position. On Monday specials currents, observe this. On Monday specials currents, 27 and 62 in position. The one on Monday special said 4 weeks. Okay. The one on Monday special that said 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, check 81 in last ball winning. In last ball winning here. And on this one that supplied it 3 weeks and kept 20 in position. Did you know 20 dropped in position? The one on Monday special said center ball. This one said second ball. It obeyed second ball. And 81 still maintained last ball winning. This one that kept 20 in second ball kept 42 in first ball. This one that kept 20 in center ball kept 42 in second ball. It is an exposure. 42 and 81 live and carry. One line 3DIRECT with this as our event to watch out for. Thank you for coming to watch this video. If you find value in it, like this video for me, share it, and let me know your own opinion. What is your take on this plan? Say it in the comment section. It will help both myself and other viewers. Nobody is an island of knowledge. Thank you for coming to watch this video once again. Do enjoy the rest of your day. I wish us good luck. 42 and 81. Don't say I told you. It's live bomb.